And at a time when the country is debating safety for women in public spaces, BRS leader K.T. Rama Rao, he has outraged women in Telangana by mocking their free bus travel in buses.
Effigy is burnt of BRS working president K.T. Rama Rao to protest his comments mocking the free bus scheme for women, saying women were free to peel onions, sew and knit, and even do a break dance in the free-to-travel state-owned buses in Telangana.
మీరు అప్పుడే చెప్తే బాగుండు బస్సుల కుట్లు అల్లికెళ్ళితే తప్ప నేను తప్పని మేమెందుకంటామక్క ఎక్కువ పెట్టు బస్సులు తన్నుకుంటాను మంచిగా లేదు పెట్టు మనిషికో బస్సు పెట్టు మేమెందుకు అంటాం మనిషికో బస్సు పెట్టు మంచిగా అంత కుటుంబం పోయి మంచిగా కుట్లు అల్లికలు అవసరమైతే బ్రేక్ డాన్సులు రికార్డింగ్ ఏం చేస్తారో చేయండి మేమెందుకు అంటాం ఏమంటారు చేయండి కానీ ఇట్లా ఈ రకంగా బస్సులలో కొట్టుకునే పరిస్థితి ఎప్పుడైనా ఉన్నారా కేసీఆర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సీట్ల కోసం కొట్టుకున్నాడు సిగలు పట్టుకున్నాడు గుద్దుకున్నాడు ఎన్నెన్ని చూస్తున్నాం కొత్త
Telangana's Women and Child Welfare Minister says KTR's comments were derogatory and that it reflects a feudal mindset.
Comments is very badly. Women are very hard workers. Women are very hard workers. They don't have much time because they are doing outside duty, and after that they went to their homework also, kitchen and children's and husband, keeping house, so many works. Then they are respecting their own work, srama. You are compare dance. Dance is different. Then their own work is traditional work, daily work is different.
The Telangana Women's Commission has ordered a probe, after which the BRS leader apologized and called it a slip.
I am expressing an unconditional apology. It was a slip of tongue, and I was saying things in jest. When the government was trying to defend the free bus scheme, they kept saying that peeling onions and stitching sweaters, etc., is not such a bad thing. I said the same thing, and I said they even can break into a dance if need be. But of course, I see why there is a certain amount of outrage. So therefore, I have apologized unconditionally earlier this morning. And if Women's Commission does in fact call me, I will respond.
KTR's comments were apparently meant as a political jibe at the ruling Congress's welfare schemes. But it comes at a time when women across the country are demanding safety in public spaces and also respect and dignity inside and outside their homes. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.